Data is being created at an explosive rate, mainly due to an increase in the devices like smartphones, sensors and tablets, and rich content from sources like the web and the social media. This ever-increasing size of the data repository that enterprises hold has led enterprises to have a relook at the data and have started to approach it with advanced methodologies referred to as big data. This video focuses on how to meet the challenge put up by huge volume of data and how an organization can create a roadmap and follow it to manage actionable insights effectively. There are many reasons why managing huge data volume is becoming a tough task. A major challenge is to develop processes which are responsive enough to produce the required information into organized data warehouses and present it at the speed at which they are inquired for. Innumerable variables attached to it like complexity, the timing of data availability, and the issues of determining most appropriate data set are equally hard challenges to come to handle. The other major challenge can be identified as information security issues while integrating between new application and the existing analytic environment and other internal IT challenges. Big data essentially is a set of technologies and tools which are designed to extract meaningful information or value from huge volumes of data obtained from different sources through efficient capture and analysis. Big data provides the tool to deal with the challenge faced by firms while they have to deal with enormous amounts of data or information gathered from different sources that needed complex analysis and churning to be able to derive valuable insights from the data. A suggestive roadmap that can be followed to improve the processes and the technology within the organization for big data include the following: managing the information lifecycle at the organization, ensuring that the tools deployed to manage data are usable for the target audience, implementing appropriate architecture, technology, and network for data management, focusing on relevant information that would derive the organization. Here is what technology experts at InterraIT have to say. Big data has started to become a reality in many organizations now, since most of them realize the challenge that huge volume of data possesses before them. However, looking at big data merely from a technology perspective might not address all the issues that voluminous data presents. It is much more than a technology initiative aimed at partitioning strategies for data. Also, lately, due to the reduced cost of storage, firms have started to dump every minuscule data as a dump into the warehouse, which has resulted in more complexity and made the entire process of data analysis more challenging. We have now entered an era where companies are required to handle and analyze much larger population of information, and regardless of the process or technology put into place, companies need to define or come up with ways of converting structured, unstructured raw data sets into insightful information that can be used effectively. Big data poses challenges for computing infrastructure in terms of data creation, storage, collection, and analysis. Hence, big data represents opportunities as well as challenges for the CIO and the IT teams, since they have to design and manage data clusters which are scalable, reliable, energy efficient, and computation intensive to manage large data sets. The CIO has to play an active role in this strategy and need to bring along IT to the center of this entire initiative.